What up, YouTube? FD White, aka Crypto Funds, back with another episode of Crypto Funds Invest. Welcome to the channel. Somebody over there doing some yard work. So I'm at in Krabi, Thailand, man. Monkey Trail. Before I walk this trail, I want to just knock a video out, man. Over Monkey Trail. Please don't feed the monkeys. So I was here last time, I didn't see no monkeys, but I see monkey poop. So they're around here somewhere. But let's talk about Bitcoin right quick. Bitcoin has not broken down from the level that we said that we were trying to hold, that low side of the range at about 59 to 60K. We did come down to about 58,400, give or take, like I said in my previous video. But we came back up, we bounced back up hard. Now we're at about 62K. So we can say that was another deviation. Let me actually walk over here. So what am I looking for now? I'm looking for a reclaim of 64K. Let's jump into the charts actually. So right now, what I'm looking at for Bitcoin, like I said, we came down here, this area here at about 58,300, reclaimed it. We're sitting at about 62K right now. So my line right here that I have right here drawn here is at about, where we at? We at about 64K. So 64K was a pivotal area, a pivotal line, a pivotal area that I want to see reclaimed, because if we can reclaim that, that means we can also start to make our ascension back up to the top side of the range at about 72K. So like I keep saying, man, everybody's getting bearish at support. Everybody gets bearish at support. Everybody gets bearish once we get rejected from the top side of the range, and then we go to the bottom side of the range. This is what this is what price action does. This is just what price action does. Like, I don't understand. A lot of people have been super bearish. Yeah, we're going to 44K, even though we're not out of the woods yet. Well, I'm still in the woods. That was a bad joke. But even though we're not out of the woods yet, we still see a little bit of strength coming in, a little bit of a bounce coming in at about, you know, that low side of the range. So hopefully we can get a nice little rally, man. So we looked at some altcoins. If you look at this post here, I said I'm looking at about 4 or 5 altcoins. We're looking at Popcat, Ondo, a couple other coins we were looking at. Popcat is actually up 30% right now, so that was a great call of mine. We're gonna start posting a lot of these back in my Telegram and back in my my new trading private group that I'm going to start soon. So make sure you hit that link in the description below. So that one's up 30%. A couple of them are up 10%. Excuse me. And then we'll just have to keep our eye on that. We see Bitcoin dominance actually rolling over a little bit. So that means a little bit of that money is going into the altcoin market as well. So right now, I'm just sitting back. I'm letting Bitcoin. See, this is the key. This is the key for me. Like I use indicators. I use all that other, you know, good stuff and all that. But the key for me when we do drop is a reclaim of key levels. A reclaim of key levels. So we drop down to 58, reclaims 59.60, held to that support. Now I want to see our next, it's like steps, it's like stairs. Now I want to see us get to about 64K, boom, hold that as support. Now we can start making our way to 67. 67, boom, hold that as support. Now we'll make our way to the top side of the range. So that's really just it. Those are the levels you need to look at. 60, 64, 67, 72. Keep those 4 numbers in mind, because we're taking the steps that we take. Well, sometimes we take the elevator down, but we take the stairs up. So those are the steps needed for us to get back to that level and inevitably break those all-time highs and go back, you know, to our glory days and being geniuses again. Because right now we don't really look like geniuses because of sentiment, but we're still at $62,000 like for Bitcoin. I don't know what people want. They want 100,000 tomorrow. My whole thesis was 100,000 by the end of the summer, early fall, and I'm sticking to it. Might not happen, but I'm sticking to it. So let me get to this monkey trail, man. Monkey trail, we're gonna go on here. Hopefully we see some monkeys. Hopefully we don't get bit, knock on wood. Hope you ever seen that one movie Outbreak with the little monkey? Every time I go around these monkeys, that's all I think about, man. It's Outbreak, the movie. But we'll be all right, man. We'll be all right. Well, hopefully we'll be all right. So this is FD White, aka Crypto Funds, live from Krabi, Thailand. live from Monkey Trail. Make sure you like, subscribe, and I will talk to everybody in the next video.